Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I'll show you how to change your screen display timeout on your Android phone. So it is annoying if your phone gets dim or locked out after 30 seconds or even 1 minute. So you can change that just doing a few simple things. So if you go to settings, in order to do that you have to just drag it, pull it down, and if you click on settings and then here in the search bar type in ATTE and it will show you the matches, and the first one is screen attention. So if you click here, then you can see that the lowest one is 15 seconds and then the highest one is up to 30 minutes, and for my phone I keep it at 1 minute, but you can change it according to your needs. And another option we have here is that screen attention, and this one prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. So your phone may or may not have that feature, but if you want to turn this on, then you have to just drag it to the right. And what it does is that if you are holding your phone or if you are on an app or something but you're not touching the screen, still it will keep it on. It will not lock you out or dim the screen. For the next Android tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for